Hi there, my name is Sibu from eCare Online, one of the best online solution companies in the country. We are a web development company specializing in search engine optimization, e-commerce solution, Google AdWords, and Google Shopping. So today we are going to talk about a few things. Well, actually, it's an expansion. We'll receive a few requests on if we can expand on how to do a few things on Google AdWords. So today, basically, I'm going to be taking you through two things, which is how do you adjust your ad scheduling and how do you adjust your bidding. So I'm just going to use one of the campaigns that we already have so that I don't take too much of your time. So this is what you do when you want your ad. Let's say for an example, you are running a shop that you only want to advertise during the day and you don't want to advertise at night. Maybe you want to advertise it. You want your ads to run from 7 a.m. up until 5 p.m. Monday to Friday, and maybe Saturday from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and Sunday you are closed. So this is what you need to do. First step, you go to your campaign, and then this is what you do. You select campaigns here, and then you come to your settings. It will automatically take you to campaign setting. You see, these are the campaigns I have under this magnet group. The water is paused and I have solar lighting and all that. So what you do, the next step you do, you select. Let's say for an example, you only want to adjust in one campaign, not all the campaigns. You select solar for an example and you come to editing. Once you are on editing, it will give you all the options. You can change your bidding, you can change your budget, change your end date, change your ad schedule, of which is and you can also change the location. But today we are here for the ad schedule. Let's start with ad schedule. So you come to change ad schedule. You click on it. It's going to give you something like this. So you are going to say, for example, let's add a few days. So this is your yeah, you can simply say Monday to Friday. Yeah, I think that works. And then you have your Saturdays and you have your Sundays here. But if you want the ads to run differently on each and every day, let's say Monday you have different working hours, Tuesday you can add that day by day. But here, for an example, I'm just going to go from Monday to Friday. So you want your ads on Monday to run from, let's say 7 a.m. 7 a.m. up until 5 p.m. So you're going to select 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. And on Saturdays, let's say you want to wake up a bit later on Saturdays. Let's just say you are going to start waking at 9 a.m. up until 1 p.m. because it's Saturday. So you're just going to select 9 a.m. up until 1. And on Sundays, do you want to work on Sundays? Let's say maybe you want to work from 9 up until 12. Okay, you can just select always the yes here. You select 9 a.m. Where's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. up until 12 p.m. which is here 12 p.m. and then you have it and then you click on apply. It will apply all the changes to your campaign, and your campaign is basically going to run on these times only. So it means if someone is looking for whatever service or whatever keyword that you have entered outside these search times, your campaign won't go there. So you won't waste money on times where you won't be able to do business. So your people, the people who are looking for you, will only be able to find you when you are open, not when you are closed. So yeah, that's the first part. And I think the second part, we said we are going to talk about bidding strategy. So if you want to change your bidding strategy, you come here, change bid strategy. We are going to use the same campaign. You click here. So this one, you choose here. First of all, what is your strategy? What do you want to achieve? If you want maximum clicks, you want maximum conversion, depending on what you are looking for. Let's say, for an example, you want maximum clicks. You select maximum clicks, and then you can still select maximum cost per click. If you don't want to spend more than R1 per click, you come here and then you say your maximum bid is R1. So any keyword that will cost more than R1, you are automatically excluded from bidding. So anything that is R1 and below, 99 cent, 80 cent, whatever the cents may be, you will be included. So anything that is above that, you are automatically excluded. So it depends how much you want to spend. If you have a smaller budget and you want to maximize it, this is what you can do. Say, for an example, you have a 10 rand budget and you want to really a daily budget, you want to maximize it, you want to get more clicks from it, so you can set your bid at R1, and that's it. So you are going to achieve the results that you are looking for. So that's that. I think that's all we are going to talk about today. And if you guys are interested in any other tutorial on Google AdWords, you can comment down below, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever we are uploading new videos. And we have different videos on our YouTube channel. There is ones where we talk about search engine optimization, how you can optimize your website and all that, the importance of search engine optimization. So I think you really need to take time to check all of our videos just to be well informed and have expand your knowledge on what we do and how you can actually benefit from it. Until next time, thank you very much. Bye.